Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting for all the Linux enthusiasts out there. And for anyone looking to breathe new life into older computers. We're talking about MX Linux in 2026, and why this lightweight Linux distribution continues to dominate older PCs, even years after its initial rise to popularity. Now, I know a lot of people think lightweight Linux distros are a thing of the past, especially in a world where software is getting heavier and hardware is getting more affordable. But MX Linux has somehow managed to stay relevant and even thrive in the current landscape. So, if you've ever wondered what makes MX Linux so special, or if you're considering installing it on your aging laptop or desktop, stick around because we're going deep into all the details. First, let's talk about what MX Linux actually is. MX Linux is a mid-weight Linux distribution that's built on Debian, with a focus on stability, performance, and simplicity. Unlike some other distros that chase the latest cutting-edge software at all costs, MX Linux takes a more pragmatic approach. It balances stability and speed, which is exactly what makes it perfect for older hardware. Over the years, MX Linux has carved out a reputation for being user-friendly, without compromising on functionality, which is a rare combination in the Linux ecosystem. Now, one of the key reasons MX Linux continues to dominate older PCs is its lightweight nature. But what does lightweight actually mean in this context? Essentially, it means that MX Linux is designed to run efficiently on hardware that would struggle with heavier operating systems like Windows 11, or even some other modern Linux distributions. MX Linux achieves this by using the XFCE desktop environment by default, which is highly customizable, but doesn't demand a lot of system resources. XFCE gives users a clean and intuitive interface that feels modern without overloading the CPU or RAM. In practical terms, this means you can take a 10-year-old laptop with just a couple of gigabytes of RAM, install MX Linux, and it will run smoothly with fast boot times and responsive performance. Performance is only part of the story though. MX Linux has always emphasized stability. And this focus on reliability is one of the reasons it's still relevant in 2026. Since it's based on Debian stable, MX Linux inherits a rock-solid foundation that rarely breaks. This is incredibly important for older PCs because, unlike brand-new hardware, these machines don't always have the latest drivers or support for cutting-edge features. MX Linux's developers understand this and optimize the distro to work seamlessly with older hardware, including legacy graphics cards, slower CPUs, and limited storage. The result is an OS that won't frustrate you with crashes or compatibility issues, even on machines that other modern operating systems would abandon. But what really sets MX Linux apart is its unique collection of tools and utilities that are designed specifically to enhance usability and system maintenance. For example, MX Tools, which is a suite of custom utilities, allows users to manage everything from system snapshots to package installations with a level of simplicity that's rare in Linux. You can create backups, perform system snapshots, tweak system performance, and even fix common issues without needing to dive deep into the terminal. This combination of power and user-friendliness is something that has kept MX Linux attractive to both newcomers and experienced Linux users alike. Even in 2026, when other lightweight distros exist, MX Linux still offers one of the most polished experiences out of the box. Another major reason MX Linux remains dominant in the lightweight space is its adaptability. Over the years, MX Linux has consistently updated its software repositories and included the latest security patches, all while maintaining its core philosophy of being lightweight and stable. Unlike some distributions that require significant manual intervention to stay current, MX Linux makes it easy to keep your system updated without breaking existing configurations. This is crucial for older PCs because installing newer software often exposes hardware limitations or compatibility issues. MX Linux's careful balance ensures that updates enhance functionality rather than introducing instability, which is why so many people continue to rely on it even in 2026. Community support is also a massive factor that cannot be overstated. MX Linux has one of the most active and welcoming communities in the Linux world. Users contribute tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and forums where beginners and experts alike can share solutions. For older PC users, this community support is invaluable. If you're struggling to get Wi-Fi working on a 10-year-old laptop, or you're trying to optimize performance without removing essential features, chances are someone in the MX Linux community has already solved that problem. This combination of a lightweight design, stability, and strong community support has created an ecosystem that encourages users to stick with MX Linux for the long term. Beyond the technical aspects, MX Linux has also benefited from an evolving philosophy that prioritizes practicality over hype. While other distributions chase flashy features or eye-catching desktop effects, MX Linux stays focused on usability, speed, and reliability. For someone with an older PC, this focus means fewer headaches and a more productive experience. It's no wonder that MX Linux has been repeatedly ranked among the top distributions in lightweight Linux surveys year after year. Users appreciate a system that just works and doesn't demand constant tweaking to stay functional. Hardware compatibility is another key reason MX Linux continues to shine. Older PCs often have drivers that aren't supported by mainstream operating systems, or hardware that requires extra effort to get working. MX Linux mitigates these issues by including a comprehensive set of drivers and kernel modules that maximize compatibility. From integrated graphics to older Wi-Fi cards, MX Linux ensures that users can get their systems up and running quickly. In fact, many people have revived old netbooks, laptops, and even desktops that were considered obsolete, simply by installing MX Linux. This rescue mission capability has earned MX Linux a dedicated following among users who love repurposing older hardware instead of discarding it. On top of all this, MX Linux offers a surprisingly rich user experience, despite its lightweight nature. Modern software can be installed easily through the Debian repositories, MX Linux's own repositories, or even via Flatpak and Snap packages. This flexibility means that users aren't sacrificing functionality for performance. You can browse the web, stream media, run Office applications, and even do light photo or video editing, all on hardware that would struggle with mainstream operating systems. And the beauty of MX Linux is that it doesn't feel cramped or limited. Even with minimal resources, the desktop environment remains responsive and visually clean, which contributes to a positive overall experience.